Welcome back. Now, in order to go live and receive real money from people, you need to change the sandbox environment into the live environment. So you need to head on over to your PayPal developer account and then click or select the live environment, and then you will find all of your apps. Click on the app that you created. So I'm going to click on my app, and then you will find your PayPal account as well as your client ID. What we need is your client ID. So you need to copy your client ID. You need to copy it. And then what you need to do is that you need to replace the sandbox client ID, which is this. You need to remove it from here. You need to remove it from here. And be careful. You need to remove only the client ID. You have to be very, very careful. And here, make sure that it says here client-id is equal to, and then and. Between these, you need to paste your client ID, your live client ID. You need to copy it and paste it here in between. So I'm going to do this step, and then I'm going to come back to you. So after you have pasted your real client ID, live client ID here, after the client-id is equal to, now let's test. It's time to test. So in order to test, first of all, you need to head on over to your project, and then the first step is that you need to go to the home page and refresh. It's very important to refresh so that the code takes effect. Next, let's pay for an order that I have. So I have here so many orders. For example, I have not paid for this order. So let me here click on details. Let me pay for this order. Now you will notice the difference. The question now is, how would you know that you are now using the live PayPal environment? Well, let me show you what's going to happen now if I click on on the PayPal button. Now the difference is that here in the window it says PayPal.com. Previously it used to say sandbox.paypal.com. As long as it says here paypal.com, it means that you are using the real environment. So again, as long as it says here paypal.com without sandbox, it means that you are using the real environment. This is very important. Now, if you are using the real environment, real money would be transferred from your account to the account of the owner. So this, if now I log in and pay, my money will be transferred to my business account. So I'm kind of transferring from my personal account to my business account. You can test this. I'd highly recommend testing this. You can create a personal account and then transfer money from your personal account to your business account, just to test that completely even before you let real people transfer real money to your account, to your business account. But this, as soon as it says here paypal.com, it means that you are using the real environment. And that's it. Pretty simple. And now the payment system has been integrated successfully into your store. And you can start receiving real money from people.